them all. The Seven Nation Army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And the message coming from my eyes says leave it alone. Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the Hounds of Hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my blood says find a home. I'm gonna Wichita, far from this opera forevermore. I'm gonna work the straw, make the sweat drip out of every pore. And I breathe and I breathe and I breathe right before the light. All the words are gonna bleed from me. I will think no more. And the stay is coming from my blood. Tell me go back home.
Not everyone understands. Not everyone understands. Not everyone understands. Not everyone understands. It's a spiritual thing. A body thing. Ouch. It's a spiritual thing. A body thing. Everyone understands house music.